Okay, sometimes the videos are a bigger production here at the Gold Vlog. Other times it's just to say hi. Hi, I miss you, I miss the vlog, I miss this part of my life, but it's been really, really busy for the last 3 or 4 weeks, so I haven't posted anything. People have been asking, where's the new Paydirt mic? Where is the High Grader Paydirt? And we did go to Nevada. We came back, very successful trip, wonderful trip. And actually that looks a little something like this. Good footage. This is what's gonna find the big gold right here.
I got the Gold Monster 1000 right here. It's about all you need. But Mike over there, he's got the compensator. What are you compensating for, Mike? That looks like to me the compensator.
Compensated.
The compensator.
Compensated for what?
I'll let you decide on that.
The compensator.
Or we all know.
So it's here. It's actually online. You can go right now and buy a bag of High Grader. We actually did 3 varieties. We did 3 varieties, the 1 gram guarantee bag, the 3 gram guarantee, which we're doing as a chunky bag, and making sure we get a 1 gram gold nugget in there. So it's some of the best gold, some of the highest caliber, highest purity gold from Nevada. This stuff rivals Australian gold. And if you know, you know, and if you don't, I'll link the original High Grader video up here. But you can go get a bag. The real video, the real promotion, that's coming out next week. This was just to say hi, just to say hi. And yeah, I'll be back vlogging another video about High Grader, about Nevada, about everything we just did next week. So appreciate you. Be well, be safe, especially this week. Have a wonderful, happy 4th of July. And we'll see you soon.
Shibbity